How to set a custom call vibration for a specific contact on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, tap on contacts. In contacts, I'm going to go back to my contacts list and then open up a contact that you would like to change. From here, we go down and then tap on more. Then tap on change ringtone or vibration. And from the pop-up, choose call vibration. From the list here, you can turn off vibration by choosing silent, or you can choose sync with ringtone. Otherwise, you can choose default vibration pattern, which is a short one. Otherwise, you can go down the list here and choose a different vibration pattern. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.